Welcome viewers, I am Hari Petlu. I did research and created a new way to teach the language English. It is very easy to learn. Importantly, to speak in English, it is enough if you watch our videos only and do the practice. You can start speaking. Today's lesson, present tense, verb usage. Example, come V1, came V2, come V3, go V1, went V2, gone V3. For, I, we, you, they, etc. Plural subject usage. SUB, subject. Use this format for telling daily routines only. Subject plus V1. This is for positive sentence. Subject plus don't plus V1. This is for negative sentence. Do plus subject plus V1. This is for question sentence. Don't plus subject plus V1. This is for negative question sentence. QW plus do plus subject plus V1. This is for question word sentence. Subject plus V1. I get up in the morning at 5 o'clock. Subject plus V1. I brush my teeth at 5:10 a.m. Subject plus V1. I take tea at 10:20 a.m. Subject plus V1. I read at 5:30 a.m. Subject plus V1. I take bath at 6:30 a.m. We have given the example sentences in positive sentence only. You can say the other types of sentences in each line. For example, subject plus V1, I get up. Subject plus don't plus V1, I don't get up. Do plus subject plus V1, do I get up. Don't plus subject plus V1, don't I get up. QW plus do plus subject plus V1, when do I get up. Likewise, say the other types of sentences in each line. Use the plural subjects we, you, they, the boys, the girls, etc. Then form sentences according to your needs. Definitely you can start speaking in English at once in this heading. Forward your valuable views. We welcome your doubts for our explanations. Good luck to all the viewers. Welcome viewers, I am Hari Petlu. I did research and created a new way to teach the language English. It is very easy to learn. Importantly, to speak in English.